Hello, everybody. Let us try to understand how our primary and middle schools should be in future. Today we are seeing a lot of changes in the world. Therefore, we must philosophize our primary and middle school education. As an experienced teacher, I just made a few thinking and that I am going to present it for you. It's only philosophical. Let's see what is happening today in schools. Too much focus on speed and marks. Result: children are smart but always anxious to get ranks, informed but not wise. This is the fate of our primary and middle school education today. Just a thinking, what should school curriculum focus on? In primary school, equal exposure to all subjects. They must learn mathematics through stories and practice, and they must learn science through observation and recording. Must learn language through expression. Learn history through storytelling, and let them find out what mistakes earlier people did. So this is how the classes should go on in primary and middle school. Let's see in middle school how it should be. You must strengthen mathematics and science learning and continue strong focus on language, especially speaking and writing. Art should be practiced to relieve stress and to make children creative. History, values, and perspective. Here is a small thinking type of a practical formula for schools. 40% of the total time in a class or in the whole year should be devoted for thinking using mathematics and science, in which listen, question, visualize, and practice. 30% of the time should be for expression, language, and arts. It may be dialogue, discussion, and writing. 30% understanding life, history plus values. I'll repeat, it's a practical formula I am suggesting which I practiced during my school days or earlier teaching career. 40% of my 40 minutes time I used to spend for thinking, and then 30% of the time for expression. That means if I ask 10 questions, children will have to answer 10 question answer they have to give it. And 30% of the time will be applied for life situations. So this is a kind of a guiding philosophy I am suggesting for school education. I hope in future mathematics will help solve problems, because today any engineering field you go, they have included mathematics as one of the core subjects in all engineering courses. Therefore, mathematics must get a strong basement in the middle school and high school classes. Language will help you to explain. When you go to any interview today, they will not ask you many things, they will ask you explain what you will do. So your language must be crisp, focused, and use proper words. History must help you to avoid mistakes, your own mistakes. For example, I am not talking history of the past, your own history. Your own way of learning should be able to help you to avoid mistakes, or it will help you to live with joy. That means listening music, drawing, all these things will help you. Watching a good video will help you to relax for the next day. Credits, concept, script, and narration by Dr. C.G. Nagaraja, that is me. I have taught from 1960 and even today I am teaching to students. So almost 65 years of experience. Based on that, I have made suggestions in the previous slides. Content was checked by ChatGPT. YouTube is publishing it. Thank you for watching this video.